Today I'll teach you tricks to read people's body language. A lack of crinkles around the eyes suggests a potentially fake smile. The shoulder shrug is a universal signal of not knowing what's going on. Open palms are an ancient display of honesty. Raised eyebrows are often a sign of discomfort. A pointed finger with a closed hand is an attempt at displaying dominance. If they mirror your body language, the conversation is probably going well. But if they look into your eyes for too long, they might be lying. Eye contact shows interest, both positive and negative. An expansive pose signals power and a sense of achievement. If they repeatedly touch their face or their hands, they're probably nervous. Crossed legs are usually a sign of resistance and low receptivity, and are a bad sign in a negotiation. A shaking leg signals a shaky inner state. If the inner corners of their eyebrows don't move up and in, they're probably not as sad as they seem. If one side of their face is more active than the other side, they might be faking the emotion.